Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. So on this side are your energies, on this side are the energies of the person you are dealing with, and these are the feelings, the intentions and actions, their feelings, their intentions and their actions, and the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. As these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. In that case, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So Taurians, as far as you are concerned, your feelings for this person are that you know that this person is your source of happiness and they bring happiness in your life, and you want to communicate that to them. You want to tell them that, and you want to offer them some sort of stability or some sort of commitment or a long-term relationship, because you know that this is a person who holds the key to your happiness. So you want to tell them that. That is one thing. Another thing is you want to give them that commitment and the long-term stability. As far as your person is concerned, they also want to have a new beginning with you. They also want some sort of a balanced decision to be taken from you. Maybe they are waiting for a decision from your side, and because they also want some sort of clarity, some sort of justice, and some sort of truth to be disclosed as to what's happening, to be honest. But they do want a new beginning with you. They want that long-term commitment, and they want a partnership with you. As far as your intentions are concerned, you feel you are holding on to this person. You have a lot of passion for this person. This is the person who is your support system. Okay, your life winds around this person. Okay, you are constantly perhaps thinking about them. Life winds around that person. You feel that this person is changing a lot, and this person is sort of liberated also from all the tensions or whatever was complicated in the past, or whatever the issues were in the past. You feel that this person is much beyond all that, and you feel that this person has changed. So your intentions are you want to hold on to this person because you know that this person brings a lot of happiness and a lot of passion in your life. You want to reach out to them. You are seeing them change basically. As far as your person's intentions are concerned, this person is really upset, but they are not showing it to you. Okay, deep within, this person is really upset. They feel as if you are ignoring them. This person has a sense of loss. It's a sort of heartbreak. They're really very upset by you. Okay, but the thing is that they are not showing it at all. They are not showing it at all. They are standing their ground firm. They feel that you are being arrogant, maybe. They feel that you are being too rigid, too arrogant, too dominating, and maybe that is what is upsetting you. So their intention is that even if they are upset, they don't want to tell you about it. As far as your actions are concerned, Taurians, you want to heal this connection. You know that this is your soulmate connection. You know this is a connection which has a deep rooted history in your heart. This is a connection which has a very strong foundation in your heart. This is a person who brings a lot of happiness in your heart, and you have really deep roots of this person in your heart, and you want to heal this connection. You want to bring hope and happiness to this connection, because right now I think this connection is a little lifeless. There are no colors to it. Only the past is colorful, the present isn't. But right now you want to bring colors or add colors to the present also. As far as your person's actions are concerned, this person is very heartbroken, I should say, Taurians, from your side. They are just looking towards you. This person is just looking towards you for action. They are not going to take any action because they are really heartbroken. They are just looking up to you. Deep down they are really hurt. Even if they are showing that they are happy, they are standing, they are waiting for some sort of action from your side. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, I feel that the superficial happiness which was there till now, I think you people are trying to leave the past or dump the past and showing that everything is okay and everything is fine, and trying to build up the happiness perhaps. It's like fake it until you make it type of a thing, or trying to build in the happiness till trying to leave the past and building the happiness, you can put it like that. And I do see that now all that negativity is being removed and the gateway is opening for the new beginning. So the past is clearing up and the present is inviting, or the present is opening the doors for the new beginnings. It's like till now you people were building the happiness, okay, trying to build the happiness slowly, leaving the past behind. Okay, one level up, level 2, level 3, level 4, till you reach that happiness, or the past, you trying to leave the past behind. And now is the stage when that aspect or that phase is over, and now the past is past. It's like now you are okay with, okay, the past is the past, let's move towards the future, and the gateways of future are opening up so that you can move forward with the new beginning. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.